In 2017, there was this massive hurricane that happened in Houston. And over the period of 7 days, Houston received about 1,500 millimeters of rainfall. It's 50% more rainfall than what Portland, Oregon receives in a year. The greater Houston area was flooded with water, but the flooding was not uniform. Some places in Houston were at upland, and some places the soils were so porous that the water quickly drained out. It created this patchy landscape where some locations are dry and some locations are flooded. Nikunj, I'm currently a postdoc in Department of Statistics and Data Sciences. And before, I was a graduate student also at University of Texas at Austin in integrative biology department. My collaborators were surveying these populations of soapberry bugs in Houston. And once hurricane had passed, soapberry bugs from nearby surroundings started to recolonize or come back again to these flooded patches. But what they saw was something very interesting. The recolonizing insects had longer wing length, but also their progeny had longer wing length. So one would, based on natural selection theory, one would assume that this having longer wing length is somewhat advantageous. But from previous studies, we know that having longer wing length is not that great, because individuals that have longer wing length have fewer offsprings. And so we wanted to understand how longer wing lengths individuals persisted even though they have a survival disadvantage. Over the last 10 years, a group of evolutionary biologists have proposed a new theory of how evolution can happen after an extreme weather event. This mechanism of evolution has been termed as spatial sorting. In spatial sorting, individuals that have a particular kind of trait are able to travel much farther, and this gives them an advantage to recolonize new patches as compared to individuals that have other kind of a trait. Having longer wing lengths allows soapberry bugs to fly further and recolonize these previously inundated patches, even though having longer wing length really doesn't help an individual to leave more offsprings. Hurricanes are really bad, and it had a massive economic impact in the area. But as a biologist, it gave me a new perspective to study evolution in natural systems. Such kind of global change phenomena are becoming more and more prevalent as human beings are changing environment. And so my PhD is leveraging these natural phenomena to better understand how human activities are shaping global ecosystems.